welcome to Gordon Guitar, Colby CAILLAT. Perhaps you recognize her. She's done a lot of great songs. Perhaps you recognize Bubbly or Try. This time we have the song called Worth It. Okay, so we have 4-chord song here. It goes in the same order through the entire song here. We need to set our capo on the 1st fret. That is important because we will have much easier life with this song. So capo on 1st, and let's take a look at the chords. So first it's the G, so that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Next chord is A minor, so that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. Next chord is a bar chord. It's the F, so you place a bar here on the 1st fret, and you bar all strings there, and then the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. And the final chord will be C. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Alright, so we have a strumming pattern here that needs to be divided into 2 different parts because we will think pair of chords here. So the G and the A minor will pair up together and make one strumming round, and then the F and C will pair up. So let's take a look at the transition here from G to A minor. So the first part played for G is down, down, up, clap. So that's the part 1. So down, down, up, clap. And then you quickly change to the next chord, in this case the A minor, and play part 2, and that is down, down, up, clap, down, up. So it's a down and then a short pause, and then comes down, up, clap, down, up, like this. Again. If you connect these 2 parts, it will be down, down, up, clap, down, down, up, clap, down, up. With tempo. And then you do the same for the F to C. So you play F in the same way as G, the part 1, down, down, up, clap. And then you go over to C immediately and play the part 2 in the same way as A minor, down, down, up, clap, down, up. So like this. And a couple of rounds of this sounds. Guys, so that was Colby CAILLAT's Worth It. It doesn't have to be harder than this. A great song, give it a try, and suits guitar very well. So yeah, hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, play tuned.